Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Robinhood for options trading, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open the Robinhood app or website and log into your account. Make sure your account is enabled for options trading. If it isn't, navigate to your account settings and apply for options trading approval. Once approved, return to the main dashboard. Tap or click on the search bar located at the top of the screen. Enter the name or ticker symbol of the stock you are interested in trading options for. Select the stock from the search results to open its detailed page. On the Stocks page, locate and select the Trade button. From the drop-down menu, choose Trade Options. You will be presented with different expiration dates for options contracts. Select the desired expiration date that suits your trading strategy. Next, review the available call and put options for that expiration date. Determine which strike price aligns with your expectations for the stock's movement. Tap or click on the strike price you wish to trade. You will see options to select buy or sell. Choose buy if you want to purchase the option. Specify the number of contracts you wish to buy. Next, select the order type, limit or market. If you choose limit, set your desired price for the option. Review all details of your order carefully to ensure accuracy. When ready, tap or click on the review button. After reviewing, submit your order by tapping or clicking submit. Once your order is executed, you can track its performance in your portfolio. To manage or close your position, return to your portfolio and find the option contract. Select the contract to see available actions, such as sell to close the position. Confirm the details, and submit your order if you wish to sell. Continuously monitor the market and your options positions for adjustments. This guide should help you navigate options trading on Robinhood effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.